Time to hunker down again.
Go ahead and roll that one. You want a 6. 6, 6,
6 or a 4. Go ahead, roll one more time.
Roll. You want a 6, 6, 6. Oh, okay. Go for a chance because you got 12. Let's do that, Mom. We'll do 22 for you. Woohoo! Oh, that's what you started last time. G.
Rolling good.
Yeah, Queen G was a winner the last time we played, which was still in pandemic, huh? April 4th?
14.
Okay. I think I'm going to go for the 4s. I feel a little saucy.
Full house.
Hi, kitty. Mom got the first one.
Yep.
Small little corn.
Then there's another one next to it.
Oh yeah, get that one there, Mom. Harvesting the corn. That's so small.
They're so tiny.
That one's probably dehydrated. Use those muscles, lady. Yay! See you through the jungle.
Grab that one.
Smile. Down. All right, and here's the bowl. Good job. All right.
Ooh.
That's a pretty good sized one.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
One more.
This one. There's one over here, honey.
Last but not least.
So small.
I know.
Probably need a ground that was deeper.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Feel that one?
That's the only better one.
Oh, there's another one right here. But we will see. I mean, it's our first time ever growing corn, you know? We'll see how these look, and I don't know.
Alright, here we go. See what we got to deal with.
Might have to get another bowl.
No, bust.
It did not produce all of the kernels.
Bust.
These didn't even form the kernels. I mean, they kind of did, but not really. So I don't know if it's like a pollination kind of thing. It didn't get it pollinated enough. Mom says the ground wasn't deep enough. That could be too. Maybe it could have been too much corn in one
That one did alright.
container.
That one's got kernels. Maybe we can dry that out.
That's a cute one.
Mom says that's a cute one.
Maybe we can try that out.
It's really dry. Here's the popcorn one.
The popcorn one. That is kind of cute though, huh? Hey, it's all a learning experience. First time. First timers. Right?
Now the crow ones has their food.
Yeah, that one didn't take either. Come back. Yeah, bust.
Poor thing. My father would have given all these things to
to the goats.
Goat,
Huh?
yeah, they'll eat it.
Yeah.
Where's Kitty?
I'll give it to Kitty. We don't have goats like on the Navajo res. But,
See, nothing goes to waste.
yeah, nothing goes to waste. Well, this is going straight to
Not, it'll go
compost.
the horses.
Oh, yeah, I bet the horses would love this.
Look at the beetle.
It'd make great. Oh, maybe that's one reason why. That's okay. At least we tried, right? If we had a pig.
Yeah.
Kitty, come here.
Hey, what kind of pig knows karate?
Pork chops.
Pork chops. Ba-dum-bum. Our corn is kind of like wah, 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 wah. But it's alright. We'll keep trying. We have things out for just in case because we're dealing with the rolling blackouts. Fans ready, but I turned everything off last night and I had all the windows open because trying to catch the cool breeze. And then about 1 o'clock, I'm like, is that a skunk? What is that awful smell? It's all the smoke coming from all areas around us. So I had to hurry up, immediately close all of the windows that I had open last night from getting some cool air, and I had to immediately close it. So a lot of people complaining about just the horrible smell right now from all of the smoke, from all the fires everywhere. I can see a bit of a haze. So crazy, you guys, just so crazy. There's a lot of people getting evacuated around the bay and across the bay, so I don't know, my heart goes out to those families that are being affected by the fires now. Mother Nature. Today's gonna be another hot one, so the plan is just to keep cool, keep Mom cool. Probably gonna give her a sponge bath. And there's Kitty. Jay's at work. I gotta grab a cup of coffee, make a to-do list, keep focused. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the haze towards the trees. And then, yeah. You can see some of the ashes, but I don't think you can totally see it. You can see the haze of the smoke. Smoke is going that way. I mean, it's coming from there. Where we have multiple fires in the distance, you can't even see the hills, which is kind of scary. Garden, I watered last night, but I might have to water again, maybe in a little bit, but I think for the most part, actually, I think the plants are doing as good as they can right now, so I'm not too worried about it. But, God, this is crazy. This is just nuts. My water, you can just see the ashes around it. Isn't that crazy? Here's some more of the ashes. Jay's new grill that he forgot to cover. It's just Kitty and I. We're just trying to keep cool. The fan, got the AC going on. Mom's taking a nap. Chicken cacciatore is smelling just perfect. This is perfect, so I don't have to put on the oven or the stove, so this is going to be great. I have been running that window AC. Props to the window AC portable people who made them. You know, it looks a little bit redneck, but I'm telling you, this whole back area is nice and cool. And then what we do is I'll set that up so it blows it to there, and I'll watch, and then it ricochets. It goes that way. And of course, I got the ceiling fan. So that has been circulating the air quite well. I have all my setup here. Been kind of looking at Instagram. Like I said, I was just trying to close my eyes for a while. I'm also using my laptop, so I'm kind of working on my YouTube channel. Everything needed a drink of water. I pruned. Tomatoes are doing really good. I got to harvest a bunch of strawberries this morning to go along with Queen G and my breakfast. So that was like the first time I've been outside ever with an N95. So, but hey, there's definitely a haze and it smells really bad. Over here, see, I just feel, I mean, I can't really open up the windows because the sun comes in and then it gets really hot, or the smoke. So I'm keeping all of the shades and curtains all just closed to keep it cool, and it's been keeping the house pretty nice decently. I think it's been like, I don't know, maybe the highest in the house it's been like 80, but once I start keep going with the AC, it'll like cool it down to like 74, which is just perfect, I think, for all of us. And then at nighttime, when it gets down to like 68, 65, I still cannot open up the windows because of the smoke. So I just been having the fans, the ceiling fans and the floor fans going. I don't know if the camera is picking it up so much. I mean, it is somewhat blue, but there is more haze going that way because there's fires all along the hills, and you still couldn't see those hills today. So I don't know. Before I end it, check this out. We got an open window. No, literally an open window. It's open. But we got a little bit of a fresh breeze coming through. So I quickly opened up all of the windows everywhere, and we're just getting fresh air. I got the garage door open, and we're just like, we're taking it in. We're taking it in. Anita has her windows open. I mean, our neighbors, everyone has their windows open. Oh, Lord. Thank you. I'll take it. We'll take it. But we're doing okay. Stay safe, everybody. Stay safe. Yeah. Well, at least we got like an hour, but I can smell the smoke coming back in. It's after about an hour, and now we gotta go throughout the whole house and close all of the windows. The wind shifted, but hey, I'm grateful for an hour. Time to hunker down again. Remember to unlock the door here for Jay. I'm just gonna leave this here, some recyclables, but again, I don't really want to go outside. I already went outside early this morning. I had to wear an N95 mask, and check this out. I woke up like this, you guys. Do you see that? It looks way worse than it feels. I don't even feel anything. It's not uncomfortable, it's not burning, it doesn't hurt or anything. It's just a broken blood vessel. I haven't had one of these like in years. And I woke up and I was like, what the hey? You know, and I'm like, ugh. And my hand is feeling somewhat better, but I sort of re-injured it while I was trying to close a door, and because of the heat, it swells up some of these older wooden doors, and I was trying to yank it, and when I yanked it, it went right into that joint. Oh, so I kind of sort of re-injured it. So I just been icing it, and I feel like this half of my body is like what the heck, man? But other than that, I'm okay. I have a lot of energy, or I have a lot of ideas. I've been really trying really hard to just sit and relax. Jay has been just trying to say, you know, sit down, sit down. And I've been icing my hand. But it's just really hard. It's so hard for me just to sit on the couch and just veg. I'm always trying to get up. I want to do, you know, I want to tidy. I want to put things away, or, you know, there's dishes to be done. There's prepping, you know, meal prepping, and there's laundry and gardening. I mean, the whole list is long. You know how that is. But, you know, I'm trying really hard. Like for the last hour, I have been just sitting in silence and just laying my head down on a pillow on the couch and trying not to move. And yeah, I can't even take a nap. I was trying to embrace the nap, but I just couldn't, because I was thinking of all the things I could be doing, you know. Like I'm like, oh, I gotta reorganize my pantry. Ooh, I gotta make a grocery list. Ooh, I gotta, you know. So moral of the story is I think something or somebody up above is just trying to tell me to slow it down. So I'm gonna try to take the rest of this weekend and relax and try to stay safe. I haven't been outside in over a week, you guys, except for today with an N95 mask. I don't really want to risk it. I have, you know, I get bronchitis very easily. I'm on that cusp of asthma, so I really don't want to be out there in the smoke. I don't want to get my mom up in the smoke. Yeah, so we're just gonna hunker down. I'm gonna start looking online grocery delivery for my first time, so we'll see how that one goes. And then that, I am just going to try to chill this weekend, and I'm praying for all of the first responders, the firemen. God, you know, my thoughts and prayers are with those who had to evacuate their homes. I hope you guys are safe. This whole pandemic, man, these are crazy times. This is just freaking nuts. So with that, you guys, stay safe, stay well, and stay healthy. And remember to take time for yourself. This gal is going to take some time for herself this weekend. I don't plan on doing much at all. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. I can't even. This is as good as a hand wave it's gonna get. Bye.